Introducing Remote Home Survey from Jumptech. As soon as a customer submits an inquiry, they receive an easy-to-follow survey to gather information about their home. From their exact address, to their energy usage, and their consumer unit, meter and incoming supply. It also asks detailed questions about their property, and for photos and video footage, so you can see their preferred location for batteries to be installed. The information is uploaded directly into Jumptech's back-office software, so you can prepare your design. The benefits? It's the easiest and greenest way to qualify customer interest. So you're more prepared when you do your site visit. The branded experience gives customers confidence in the quality of your service. And the survey information is fed directly into Jumptech's field service management platform. So it's easy to schedule the job and arrange your trades. Ready to qualify your inquiries with less effort? Book a live demo now.